about luxury for dogs? What do we have here?
Right here you have the big dog chains. They're custom-made stainless steel collars. They're custom fitted for dogs. They come with a lifetime warranty. It's all handmade in Canada. So it's the ultimate accessory for your dog, you know? It not only looks great, but it's actually a really functional collar. It can go in the water, it's ultra resistant, and it's more than anything, they're just amazingly beautiful.
We like for our dogs to look their best.
That's our specialty. So anywhere they get so much attention, people just love it. And other than that, it's really a functional collar.
And I see that you have gold colors and silver colors.
We also have rose gold, we have black, matte black, and many color finishes, all kinds of stuff. So we go from Chihuahua size collars all the way up to like Hulk size collars. We have big things coming